everyone, my name is Chitrak Das and I have completed my graduation in Hospitality and Hotel Administration from New Delhi. And after my graduation, I was not keen to join hotel industry, but as I was looking for doing something else. So in the meanwhile, I was not been able to get any opportunity in my life, so I joined in as a sales executive in Global Traders. I worked there for around 2.5 to 3 years. But I thought that there was not much growth in sales also, so I was just looking for some other opportunity in life. In the meantime, my father suggested me to go for digital marketing, which is now a boom in these days, and it's a great industry. And so I thought, why not join an institute for that? So my father was related to this institute called Vision Upliftment Academy, situated in Salt Lake Sector 5. And he knew our mentor Nisha Malik ma'am, and so he suggested go join that institute, and since it's a quite nice institute, so I joined Vision Upliftment Academy, and I am currently pursuing the course. The course is very good, and the curriculum is not that tough, and it's not so bad nowadays. Everything is going on digital, so if anyone wants to join digital marketing, they can think of joining Vision Upliftment Academy. And also I'm having a blog of my own. It's called excursiondiary.blogspot.com, as well as I'm having a YouTube channel also myself. So if anyone interested, they can join Vision Upliftment Academy. Thank you.